Marketing promises a quick, flawless smile over the weekend. The reality is that we're talking about an invasive biological surgery. You are drilling titanium directly into your skull. That means there's a serious trade-off. You have to invest significant time, patience, and strict behavioral discipline up front to secure a permanent structural intervention that will last decades. Treating a dental implant like an off-the-shelf cosmetic product rather than a complex medical procedure is the fastest way to guarantee surgical failure. To understand why this requires preparation, look at what happens the moment a tooth leaves your mouth. Your jawbone operates on a use-it-or-lose-it principle. Every time you chew, natural tooth roots send mechanical stress signals downward, forcing the body to keep the surrounding bone dense and strong. This graph tracks jawbone volume over time after an extraction. When the root is gone, the stress signal stops. The body assumes that bone is useless and pets off its nutrients. By the 12-month mark, you can lose up to a quarter of the bone volume in that empty space. This triggers a rapid chain reaction. Without the missing tooth to hold the line, the neighboring teeth lose their structural support and immediately begin to drift, tilt, and collapse inward to fill the gap. Teeth naturally work in pairs. The tooth directly above the gap no longer has a partner to bite against. It slowly starts growing out of its own socket, drifting downward until it eventually becomes loose. As bite alignment breaks down, the joint connecting your jaw to your skull is forced into unnatural positions, causing chronic pain. Over the years, as the lower jaw physically shrinks from bone loss, the lower third of the face sinks inward, causing deep wrinkles and a collapsed profile. Waiting to fix an empty gap doesn't push off the surgery date. It exponentially increases the biological damage, turning a standard tooth replacement into a complex, painful, and expensive full-mouth reconstruction. To stop this chain reaction with an implant, you have to pass a clinical evaluation built on 3 pillars of health. The first is having enough thick, healthy bone to anchor the titanium post against the massive pressure of chewing. You cannot evaluate this by looking in the mirror, and standard clinical imaging falls short. On the left is a traditional 2D X-ray, too flat to show critical blind spots. On the right is a 3D cone beam CT scan. This technology creates a high-definition map to safely navigate around major facial nerves and sinus cavities. An oral surgeon uses this digital map to measure the exact height, width, and physical density of your bone. They evaluate both the hard outer shell and the softer, spongy interior to ensure the metal threads have enough solid material to lock into. A comprehensive 3D scan is the only way to lock in your anatomical baseline and build a surgical plan before bone loss permanently alters your jaw. The second pillar of candidacy is flawless gum tissue. Your gums act as a tight biological seal, guarding the underlying bone and the new implant against aggressive bacteria. This animation shows what happens when a sterile titanium post is placed into an infected environment. If you have active periodontal disease, bacteria attack the compromised soft tissue around the metal, rapidly eating away the jawbone in a condition called peri-implantitis. Any trace of gum disease must be eliminated before surgery is scheduled. This requires targeted interventions, such as deep root scaling, applying localized antibiotics, or minor laser surgery to force the tissue back into a healthy, sterile state. Rushing to cap an empty gap with a cosmetic crown while ignoring the biological health of the surrounding tissue leads directly to total implant rejection. The final pillar is your body's overall systemic health. Fusing metal to living bone requires a massive cellular response, and certain lifestyle choices severely handicap your body's natural capacity to heal. Take nicotine. It is a powerful vasoconstrictor. Watch how it physically shrinks the blood vessels in your gums, instantly starving the surgical site of the oxygen and white blood cells needed to keep the tissue alive. The statistics are brutal. Heavy smokers face an implant failure rate 3 to 4 times higher than non-smokers. Surgeons demand you completely stop smoking weeks before the procedure and throughout the entire healing phase. For diabetic patients, an unmanaged blood sugar level over 7% disrupts collagen production and cripples the immune system. This elevates a highly predictable, routine surgery into an extreme infection risk. Mechanical habits also matter. If you grind your teeth at night, the massive shear forces will snap a new implant out of alignment unless you strictly commit to wearing a heavy-duty night guard every single evening. A chronic condition won't automatically disqualify you from getting an artificial tooth, but it transforms the process from a simple clinical visit into a rigorous, months-long test of your behavioral discipline. If your initial 3D scans show years of bone loss have already hollowed out your jaw, you still have options. Modern regenerative dentistry can build the required foundation back from scratch. Through a bone graft, a specialist places sterile scaffold material directly into the deficient area. Over several months, your body absorbs this material and replaces it with strong, living bone. If you lose an upper back tooth, the sinus cavity physically drops down. To fix this, a surgeon performs a sinus lift. As shown here, the delicate membrane is pushed upward, and graft material is packed underneath, creating a solid floor for the implant. Starting with a weak foundation does not mean you have to live with a gap forever. It means you must extend your biological timeline and let your body reconstruct the necessary architecture. This brings us to the timeline. Marketing campaigns love to promise teeth in a day. Immediate loading is a highly specific procedure reserved strictly for patients with pristine, dense bone, zero active infections, and perfect systemic health. Look at this comparison matrix. In the ideal category with a solid foundation, the process takes 3 to 5 months. However, if you need major bone grafting, a sinus lift, or gum disease treatment, the timeline expands to 9 to 14 months. A dental implant is a permanent, biomechanical upgrade to your skull. It demands patience and a profound respect for the way your body heals. Take the time to build a strong foundation, and your reward is a lifetime of functional confidence.